Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove part of picture in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. Now I can see remove part of picture in Photoshop. Now going to the tool option. Now select from quick selection tool. Now click. Now select from any part of picture. Now keyboard press from backspace. Now click from OK. That it's. Now you can see remove part of picture in Photoshop. Then again now select from another part of picture. Now again keyboard press from backspace. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see remove part of picture in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and